Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip software to the latest version. First of all, you have to swipe down the control center and check whether your device is connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. Once you do that, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings and scroll down until you find the software update option. Tap on it and check for available updates. And let your phone find anything. And if it does find anything, you're gonna have to wait until it first downloads this application, which usually happens in the background. And after that, you're gonna have to wait until your device is installing the update. If your device is discharged, by the way, also make sure to keep it charged during this process so the entire process doesn't get interrupted. And then once the update is installed, you're gonna have to restart your phone to apply the changes. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.